Alfa Romeo is announcing the rebirth of the custom-built 33 Stradale, the manifesto of the Italian brand's capabilities in terms of style and driving experience. Made in only 33 exclusive units, the new two-seater coupe combines the brand's heritage and future as the symbol of noble Italian sportsmanship. To make a dream come true, the essential ingredient is a good dose of courage and a pinch of healthy madness. This was the same recipe as for the car considered by many to be among the most beautiful ever, the 33 Stradale, launched in 1967. Today, with the same boldness and vision, the Alfa Romeo team has designed and developed the new 33 Stradale, an authentic work of art in motion, the perfect combination of beauty and technology. Its goal is to provide the most exciting driving experience and the immortal charm of an icon to a very small circle of enthusiasts who have believed in the project. The new 33 Stradale was created at the newly founded Alfa Romeo Bottega, where the brand's designers, engineers, and historians first listened to potential buyers, then produced the car together, exactly the same way as in Renaissance artisan boutiques and in the 1960s workshops of renowned Italian coach builders. In the words of the CEO of the Alfa Romeo brand, with the new 33 Stradale, we wanted to create something that lived up to our past to serve the brand. Such a result could only have been achieved thanks to the expertise, hard work, and passion of our team, with the support of management who have the clear ambition to contribute to writing chapters in the brand's future, and full respect of its unique history. This is the brand's first custom-built car since 1969, and I promise it won't be the last. The new 33 Stradale is inspired by the historic 1967 model, with enrichments to its sculptural beauty with certain design elements from Alfa Romeo's new language of style. The exterior features a perfect balance between proportions, volumes, and processing of the surfaces. The front has a powerful and muscular volume, where the standout features are the iconic shield and the complex forms of the lights with their elliptical base. The profile is dynamic. The body is projected forward, with surfaces modeled according to the criteria typical of Alfa Romeo's formal expression. In addition, courtesy of the corner opening of the doors and the large wraparound sunroof, very similar to the cockpit of an airplane. The overall image offered by the opening of the bonnet and doors enhances the car's theatrical outlook. The brutal rear is balanced by the sinuous front, and the maximum height is not at the level of the windshield, as on any other sports car, but in the middle of the roof. In particular, the rear area expresses the strength of the car courtesy of the truncated tail, a V-shaped graphic, and the round rear light clusters. The aerodynamic efficiency is confirmed by a 0.375 without the aid of active systems. The interiors are also distinguished by minimalism of design and materials, all of which were designed to aim at the greatest possible engagement in the driving experience. In particular, the cockpit was designed with the purpose of minimizing components that could distract the driver, as seen in the limited number of controls with a practical usage when driving that can be found on the center console. Directly ahead of the driver is a display, the 3D telescope design of which engages the driver in a first-of-its-kind interaction. The steering wheel, devoid of all its usual buttons, offers an experience of the pure pleasure of driving. As in an airplane cockpit, the controls are located at different levels, in the low center console and on a higher plane, installed in the central lining on the inside of the roof. The interiors are available in 2 trim levels. The aviation-inspired dashboard and central tunnel employ materials such as aluminum, carbon fiber, leather, and Alcantara. The wraparound seats, upholstered in poltrona frau leather, reinterpret those of its forerunner, ensuring comfort and ergonomics. Every detail is designed to create an exclusive and engaging environment, maintaining the aesthetic and technical heritage of the 1967's 33 Stradale. A unique driving experience. The Alfa Romeo team has set itself the ambitious goal of offering a driving experience as a track car, yet in a model suitable for everyday use on the road, without compromising on comfort and safety of use, including on an everyday basis. The new 33 Stradale therefore boasts the best of Alfa Romeo engineering, as seen in the double-arm suspension with active shock absorbers and in the evolution of the 2.9 liters V6 engine. The new Alfa Romeo Special Edition can be fitted with a V6 twin-turbo engine delivering over 620 horsepower, or can come in a BEV configuration with over 750 horsepower. Performance is outstanding in both versions. The top speed is 330 km per hour, or 205 miles per hour, and it accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3 seconds. The double-arm suspension with active shock absorbers and the front axle lift ensure handling and comfort. The Alfa Romeo brake-by-wire braking system and Brembo carbon ceramic brakes offer high-level performance. The aluminum H-frame and carbon fiber monocoque guarantee rigidity and lightness. Again, to ensure high qualities of rigidity and safety, a roof structure has been engineered in carbon fiber and aluminum with hinged butterfly doors. The window frames are also made of carbon fiber, with the rear window in polycarbonate. The car's tuning will be supported by F1 driver Valtteri Bottas on the legendary Monaco track, thus bringing F1 experience into everyday driving and ensuring Alfa Romeo's unmistakable handling. The 33 project has brought about the Alfa Romeo Bottega, a team of professionals who have worked closely with customers to design 33 unique and exclusive specimens. The Bottega is inspired by Renaissance workshops and by 1960s coach builders, all of whom created works of art of pure beauty, according to their clients' requirements. Likewise, customers have been involved in the creative process since the beginning of the project. The first meetings with some of them took place at the Monza Grand Prix, and they had the opportunity to express their desires for the kart. Within a few weeks, all 33 units had already been sold. The Bottega is headquartered in a museum in Ariasi, where the design of the 33 Stradale was approved in 1967. Last but not least, it rests to the 33 committee to approve customer requests, ensuring that the car's history and iconicity are respected. A specific committee chaired by the CEO of Alfa Romeo, its members are the heads of the brand's various departments, craftsmanship and innovation for an unprecedented level of customization. The new custom build will be produced in just 33 units through a dedicated program that has enabled customers to develop functional stylistic elements together with the Alfa Romeo development team, air intakes, wheels, and even the distinctive front shield. Therefore, no two cars in the world will ever be identical, making them masterpieces on 4 wheels, with the ambition of becoming part of Alfa Romeo history. The same uniqueness also shows up in an exclusive registration procedure that enables customers to personally sign the chassis number. The specific VIN includes 8 digits chosen by the customer and is also marked on the central tunnel. With a consolidated experience in the field of the most exclusive tailor-made automobiles, Alfa Romeo will be employing the craftsmanship of the Carrozzeria Touring Superleggera to construct the cars. Tailor-made quality standards are therefore ensured, which guarantee obsessive attention to detail. By the way, official cost for this was 1.7 million euros, but unofficially was 2 to 3 million. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.